Are you ready to sleep soundly knowing your Peachtree accounting data is safe? Let's walk through backing up your Peachtree files step by step so you never have to worry about data loss. First, make sure you're logged into Peachtree as the administrator. This ensures you have all the necessary permissions, then navigate to the File menu, typically located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Backup option. Clicking this will open the Backup Company window. In this window, you'll see several options to customize your backup. Make sure the Include Company Name in the Backup File Name box is checked. Now the crucial part: choose where you want to save your backup file. Click the Browse button and select a safe location, ideally an external hard drive, a USB drive, or a cloud storage service. Don't back up to the same hard drive where Peachtree is installed. This defeats the purpose of having a backup. After choosing your location, confirm the file path and click the Backup button. A progress bar is displayed as the backup process completes. Make sure not to interrupt the process, as it can cause data corruption. Once finished, you'll get a message that says backup completed successfully. Finally, schedule regular backups at least weekly or daily, depending on how frequently you make changes to your Peachtree data. Your financial data is safe and secure now. You can rest easy.